dynoed, and I'm excited to start this new journey. I dynoed years ago, so now it's time to dyno again. And yeah, it's a Miata. We're at super tuning, and nonetheless, no matter what my numbers come up as, we're going to start adding stuff to it, drifting, add stuff to it. My goal, honestly, is to have a reliable 220 to 250 when everything's all said and done, and a solid drift chassis. So let's get in here and let's see what we're working with.
That's affecting the air-fuel mixture. Look at this here. Look what's happening. That's ruining the fuel.
So the intake is definitely an issue right now.
Right, because see, the tune, like, okay, is like just too lean. They're like, okay, see these three runs, see this is the one, like, it's like comparison to those runs. Okay, look at how it is before. Look at how before your better one is now, and this last one. Look at how it is.
Yeah, okay.
It just doesn't have low speed. That's where it's like doing this till it gets to that point, then it's dropping to where it's supposed to be.
So it's able to use the fuel at high speed, but at low speed we're having a problem.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. So that's
got it.
Okay, so give me this second. So let me go back here. When you came initially, these were the ones, right? 1, 2. 2 was your better run, the red one, okay? All right, here. So the previous run did this, right?
Yeah.
What I showed you in the top was not good. Now look at the number in this one. The green one, take the previous run out, the blue one out. Now the green one is what it is now. Look at the green one, how it
was more steady.
More power even. They're like, here, look at how much more power it made now over the previous time, the setup.
And all you did was lift it?
Yeah.
We broke 100 because if you show, here, I got you. Yeah. And so we were having issues before, and what he did now was just obviously lifted the intake up so we have better flow. And by doing this, so, all right, I think I got like a couple more runs left. Let's figure this out, what we're gonna do moving forward. But because of this, we finally hit 100.
plugs are okay. You know, I mean, it's just that plugs are okay.